So, good afternoon, everyone, and especially to you, Dr. Panti and Cabiles Angelika from BSIE-ICT 2B, and I'm here to present about the different types or the uh, objective types of objective tests. First is what is a objective test? Um, this is a test that has right or wrong answers, so can be marked objectively. It means that this measures the learner's ability to remember facts and figures, as well as their comprehension of course materials. A test presenting a number of factual questions to be answered one word or mark check mark instead of verbal expression and organize of materials. Objective test requires the user to choose or provide this answer a question whose correct uh, answer is predicted. And there are four types of objective tests: the true or false items, matching type items, multiple choice items, and completion items. First is the multiple items. True or false item. True or false question is a specialized form of the multiple choice format in which there are only two possible alternative answers. We all know that the meaning of true or false, uh, but true or false is a certain statement that against each other statement that two words are mentioned. This question can be used when the test designer wishes to measure students' ability to identify the right or wrong answer, to identify whether the statement of fact are accurate or not. Uh, in the true or false test, there is a questions that uh, have two choices, but there is a one possible answer in that questions, whether the questions are fact or the questions are false. So this is the example of true or false question. Matching type items. Matching types items requires students uh, match a series of stems or premises to a response or principle. They consist of a set of directions, a column of statement, and a column of response. Uh, all of us experience do this kind of test in, since grade school. We like to draw a line, and this is the example. We like to draw a line between the questions and the answer, or maybe you can put the answer here in the blank. So then multiple choice item. A traditional the matching type items and the multiple choice items it's look the same because they have a lot of choices that you need one uh, the best answer, the one best answer for that question. Multiple choice items, a traditional multiple choice questions or item, is one in which a student choose one answer from a number of choices supplied. A multiple choice questions consists of uh, 10. The text of the question that provides the facilitator or the teachers, or maybe others that give that question. Options, the choices provided after the stem. That's the A, B, C, D, or so on. The key, the correct answer in the list of options. After you take the exam, you can see the key answer in the in the end, or maybe the professor or the facilitator will give the right answer of every question. And these factors the incorrect answer in the list of the option, and they give also the uh, incorrect answers and the right answers. So this is the example of multiple choice item. Then, so we all know naman this, diba? So the last is the completion test item, or fill in the blanks or identify the right answer. Completion, a test that you need to understand the questions. You need to determine the right answer of the questions without any kind of choices. That you need your knowledge, you need all the na mapag-aralan mo para to answer that questions. Maybe we find as a series of sentence in which certain important words or phrases have been omitted. The blanks submitted to the student to fill in. A sentence may contain a simple blank or it may contain two or more blanks. So this is the example of fill in the blank. So we and this is the reference of my topic. So we all know we all experience that different types of objective tests from grade school until now. But some of us or some of the professor give subjective type of tests for their exam or quizzes. And the difference between objective type of test and subjective type of test. Objective type of test contains multiple. It includes multiple choice, um, matching type, true or false, and completion. And the four types of objective tests that we tackled recently, and it provides at least one questions and one answer and short one and short answer. But the objective subjective type of test it includes essay, performance task, per- performance test, proven essay that we need that need a one or more answer and a long answer for an essay. So I hope you understand my topic and you learn a lot. So that's all, and thank you.